Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is Zed Money, and today I have a video for you guys titled how to make money online in Zambia. This is part 1. So if you're new here, please leave a like, subscribe and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss out on part 2 and the other videos that will be coming out soon. I'm going to make part 2 of how to make money online in Zambia next week. Yeah, so before we start this video, I just want to run a quick ad for those who like Spotify Premium and Netflix. Okay guys, so on Netflix Premium I got you covered with the best and latest movies that you've never watched before. So right now I'm about to give you a sneak peek on Fast X. It just got released recently, I think a month or 2 months ago. So yeah, that's a little preview of Fast X. Okay guys, so I also got you covered with Spotify Premium, where you can listen to your favorite types of songs, music, whatever you wanna call it. Yeah, so here you can find albums of songs from your favorite artist. You also have different types of playlists created for you, which are automated. So if you're tired of listening to the same old songs, you can also just find a different playlist for the day and listen to those types of songs. So right now I was listening to When I Grow Up by NF. So you can also have the privilege to view the cover art and also the lyrics of the songs that you do not know how to sing to, so that you can follow up and listen to that. So if you want, so guys, Netflix Premium is only 80 kwacha and Spotify Premium is only 50 kwacha. Also, thank you very much for 700 subscribers. We're so close to getting to 1k. So if you're new here, please leave a like, subscribe and turn on the post notifications. Also, so on this website there are different ways to make money, so make sure you watch the full video and read everything that I type so that you understand how to do everything correctly. Okay, so welcome back to the video. Now I'm going to show you how you can make money online using this one website called Timebucks. So Timebucks is a website that pays you to do simple tasks which actually pay also good amounts other than the surveys. So yeah, I'll click on the tasks. Here you're going to see the tasks that you have. We also have the section where you can see the submissions, the number of tasks that you submitted and the paying prices and if they're in review or not. And here we have disputes. In case you completed a task and it wasn't judged fairly, you can dispute that and they can review your tasks and your proofs once more in order to get paid. So yeah, so I'll show you how you can earn on the tasks tab. So you can click on the tasks and here you're going to have to wait for it to load up. So once it loads up, you're going to see how many available tasks that you have and money available to earn and the pending earnings on that. The pending earnings that you have for completing tasks. So right now you might think the number of tasks that you need to do are way more than the money that you expect to earn on Timebucks. So yeah, Timebucks recently gave us a notification saying they're upgrading their servers, which means we have to wait for like 2 weeks in order to get the normal amount of sales that used to pay high amounts of money. So if you see this notification in this video, I would like you to pause it and read what they said in order to get the full information on why they're paying so low right now on the tasks that they have. So I'm going to go back to the tasks section to show you how you can do the tasks. So we have different types of tasks. We have daily tasks, we also have weekly tasks and some which are once in for all, I can say. So yeah, so I like doing the daily tasks because they come every after 24 hours after completing them. So I have this daily task and I'll show you how to do it. So click on view. So when you come here, you need to read the instructions. These are the advertisers instructions. So I know what to do already, so I won't waste much of your time on how to do this task. I'll just click on I'm not a robot, wait for it to load, and it's saying go to this link and scroll to the bottom where it says you may like, and click on one of those thumbnails. So I'll click on this tab. So scroll down, this page is one of one, click on next, wait for it to load. So once it loads, I'll take a screenshot of this. After taking a screenshot, I'll go back to the earnings page, then click on browse image. I have to submit this image to show that I have completed the task that I was assigned to do. So I'll click on submit for approval and wait for it to load again. Yeah, so once it loads, that task is going to go on my pending earnings. So I think it was 0.07 cents. Yeah, and it has been added to my pending earnings over there. So also and that's how you complete tasks on Timebucks. You just upload that and you'll be good to go. So I clicked on earn, and here we have 5 different categories on how to earn money online on Timebucks. So the first one, and it's actually the easiest way to earn money online on Timebucks, is the survey tab. So here on surveys we have different survey providers. So if I scroll down here, you're going to see the different survey providers and the rates. Here are the providers, and we also have the rates in which they pay per survey. So some of them here have various different payments. We have some survey providers that have fixed paying rates. For example, we have Your Surveys, Dynata, Pure Spectrum, Short Surveys. It also has Medium Surveys, Premium Surveys, Simplicious, and there are 2 more survey providers. So I personally like to do surveys because they are actually the best way to earn money online on this website. So if I scroll down here, you can see people who recently completed their surveys and the flag from which country they just earned from. There's a picture of them there, but the picture is kind of blocking the view on how much they earned from the survey, so I'll just go to the next one. I don't know this country, but I'll tell you how much they earned 4 minutes ago just from doing surveys from CPX Research. So as you can see, this person earned 50 cents, which is $0.565 in the US. Yeah, so on this website you get paid in US dollars, then when you cash out it will be converted to your local currency regardless of what country you're coming from. To be honest, in Zambia I rarely do get surveys, but I, as a YouTuber, decided to talk to the managing staff of Timebucks, and they said they might work on providing more surveys to us, to the countries that rarely get surveys on Timebucks. Yeah, so in the near future we might see surveys, but if you're new to Timebucks, every day you're going to get the privilege of doing the daily survey provided by Timebucks. It's usually the last one and it's found over here. So if you join Timebucks, I'll leave the link in the description. You should do the survey down below over here. On the next method we have the content part. So on the content part we have 4 sections. We have the ad clicks, which is here. We have the slideshows, we have engage, and we have the push clicks. So I'm going to start with the ad clicks. I did most of them this morning, so I don't have a lot of ad clicks. Yeah, so on the ad clicks, all you need to do is you have to come to this section and check out the ads that you have. The ad clicks pay in low amounts, but they really do help with the daily goals. Yeah, so on Timebucks we do have something called the daily goals and weekly goals. So if I click on this ad click, it's going to take me to another website, and I have to wait for a matter of seconds for it to load. So I saw that it showed me to wait for at least 26 seconds. So if I just close the other tabs, you can see here it's counting down from 26 seconds all the way to 0. So if I go back to Timebucks, it's saying I have to reopen the link. So you have to stay on this site for the amount of seconds you have entered in order to get paid. So yeah, I went back. Now I need to go back to Timebucks. I hope you heard the notification sound, so earned 0.001 cents, I think. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's a cent or something. Yeah, so I just earned that from just doing a simple click. So the clicks earnings vary, so you might find high paying clicks over here. So I did that click, so I'm going to go back. We also have slideshows, so I'll quickly get on the slideshow here and show you how you can earn money from this slideshow. So all you have to do is click on view, then you're going to then wait for it to load. Then down below here you have a timer. You have to visit at least 7 pages of this content section. So wait for the timer to get to 0. It's usually 20 seconds per ad. Yeah, so wait for the timer to go down to 0 and click on next. So you have to view 7 out of 11 in order to get paid on this section. So yeah, I won't do all of them, so just to make the video shorter. Yeah, I know there are a lot of ways to earn money online on this site, so I have to go back and show you the other ways you can earn money online on this website. So if you go back to the content section, we also have push clicks. So push clicks are actually notifications that are sent to your phone when you sign up on Timebucks. When you get this notification, hopefully I still have it. Yeah, so I have a lot of push clicks to do. So you get 1 push click per 2 hours. So when you click on the push clicks, you're going to get paid in cents for each push click that you click on. So usually if I click on the push click, nothing happens, but I came up with a solution which is in I'll leave a link to the video that I made about a month ago on how to complete push clicks if you don't have that option on your phone and if it's just stripping in general. So yeah, so that's the push click tab where you can also earn just to clicking on notifications. So stop clicking on Facebook and WhatsApp notifications because you don't get paid to view those, and click on the push clicks on Timebucks. Yeah, so we also have engage. So I think I'll cover the engage part in another video. This part was removed from the mobile version. So you also have other ways to earn money on Timebucks. You can also refer to your friend and also complete offer wars. They actually pay well, but there is the offer wall also has its own flaws, so I think I'll cover that in another video. So yeah, that's basically how you can earn money online on Timebucks. So now to the payment proof. I'm going to go to my payment section over here and show you how much I made on Timebucks. So these are my payment proofs from Timebucks. You can see that I have been inconsistent with getting paid on this website because I was also focusing on other platforms that can help you earn money online online in Zambia. Pardon me. Yeah. So this is the payment proof, and I actually received all these payments through Bitcoin. So this is one of the easiest ways to receive money in Zambia, is through a payment method called Bitcoin. Oh yeah, something like that, cryptocurrency. So Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency that you can earn through doing online jobs or investing. So right now I haven't invested in any platform that offers Bitcoin, but I have earned money online and chose Bitcoin as my preferred payment method. Yeah, so one website that I use to receive the payments is actually called YellowCard. So I'll quickly show you how YellowCard looks like, and I'll also leave a link where you can sign up on YellowCard and receive your payments from this website. So if I click on, I'll use this other browser. So currently I have 0 USD combined because I recently made a withdrawal. So I'll show you my transaction history. So yeah, as you can see, I've been using these platforms for